Hare Krishna. So Krishna has very wonderfully described various activities in the mode of goodness, passion and ignorance. So one thing is very clear, that whatever activities we are doing, they are contaminated by the combination of three modes of material nature. And this will actually bind us to this material world, lifetime after lifetime. So if you want to get rid of this material world, attain the ultimate destination, then we should get rid of the defects caused by the three modes of material nature. How to get free from these defects or contaminations? Krishna is speaking about this. A very, very important instruction. How to get rid of the contamination of three modes of material nature and attain the ultimate destination. So let's see this, a very wonderful instruction by Krishna in Śloka number 23. Om Tat Sat iti nirdesho Brahmanastri vidha smrataha Brahmanastena vedascha Yagyascha vihitaha pura. Om Tat Sat iti nirdesha Brahmanah. So, from the beginning of creation, three words are used to indicate the supreme absolute truth. What are those? Om, Tat and Sat. So these three words are used. And here it is said, Trividaha smrataha brahmanastena vedascha. So these three symbolic representations are used by brahmanas. For what? Vedascha yagyascha vihitaha pura. While chanting the hymns of the Vedas and during the sacrifices for satisfaction of the Supreme. So in this way we understand that the qualified personalities, they use these three words, Om, Tat, Sat, to indicate the supreme absolute truth, and by that purify whatever activities they are doing. So this is the key that Krishna is giving us, this is the instruction that Krishna is giving us. Okay, let's dive deep into this shloka and try to understand more about this particular thing. It has been explained that penance, sacrifice, charity and foods are divided into three categories. So we have seen this in Sattva Guna, Rajoguna, Tamoguna. But whether first class, second class or third class, they are all conditioned, contaminated by modes of material nature. But now there is a solution. When they are aimed at the Supreme, Om Tat Sat, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, the Eternal, they become means for spiritual elevation. Same activity. When Om Tat Sat is added to it, what happens? Instead of binding us to this material world, it liberates us from this material world. Now here it is said, these three words, Om Tat Sat, particularly indicate the absolute truth, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Now if the question is, how does it indicate Supreme Personality of Godhead? Let's see some of the references from the Vedic scriptures which is given here. From Rig Veda it is said, Om ityetad brahmano nedishtham nama. So here it is said that Om is another name of Brahman. So basically it is referring to the absolute truth. Now there is second. So Om we understood. What about Tat and Sat? Now from Chandogya Upanishad, Tat Tvam Asi. Now this is another line that is given. So that basically means that you are that Brahman. So we are indicating the absolute truth, and when we are saying that yes, you are that absolute truth, you are that Brahman. Third one, again from Chandogya Upanishad, Sat Eva Saumya. So Sat Eva Saumya basically means that Brahman is eternal, the gentle one, Saumya. So in this way we understand that Tat, Sat, Om, Tat, Sat, these three words are indicating the absolute truth. Now here it is said, one who acts without following the regulations of scriptures will not attain the absolute truth. He will get some temporary result, but not the ultimate end of life. The conclusion is that the performance of charity, sacrifice and penance must be done in the mode of goodness, performed in the mode of passion or ignorance, they are certainly inferior in quality. So whatever activities we are doing, if it is not in the mode of goodness, if it is contaminated in the mode of passion and ignorance, we cannot elevate our consciousness. We cannot reach the ultimate goal. We'll be stuck here in the material world, lifetime after lifetime after lifetime. So it is said here, the three words Om Tat Sat are uttered in the conjunction with the holy name of Supreme Lord. Example, Om Tat Vishnoho. Whenever a Vedic hymn or the holy name of the Lord is uttered, Om is added. So basically it is talking about chanting the holy names of the Lord. So Om Tat Sat, and at other place it is given that how Om and Hare Krishna Mahamantra are non-different. So basically whenever we are doing any activity, we have to chant the holy names of the Lord. Now chanting the holy names of the Lord is very, very important. Why? Whatever shortcomings are there, whatever defects are there, when we are doing some ritual, some activity, all that is covered. All that is taken care by chanting the Hare Krishna Mahamantra. So Prabhupada made it very clear in ISKCON. Every single ritual that we do, be it the artis that we do, be it any fire sacrifice that we do, be it the bhoga offering that is done, be it the diksha or initiation that is done, be it anything, even for birthday celebration and anniversary celebration, anything in ISKCON, we will see that how it is accompanied by the chanting of the holy names of the Lord in the form of kirtan. We will see that how Hare Krishna Mahamantra is chanted with each and every aspect of any activity that we do in ISKCON. Why? Because when we chant the holy names, while doing deity worship, while doing any sacrifice, be it Vivaha Yajna or some Graha Pravesh or any samskara for that matter, what happens? Any shortcoming that is there, shortcoming is going to be there for sure. We are human beings after all, conditioned human beings. We will get into mode of ignorance, passion or goodness. So when we are conditioned, for sure there will be some shortcoming in our activity. But when we just add this one thing, that is chanting of the holy names, everything is taken care. Everything is taken care. All the shortcomings are covered. And we get the full benefit of that particular activity. Why? Because when we are chanting the holy names, that particular activity we are dedicating it to Krishna. We remember Krishna while chanting the holy names. And that activity becomes dedicated to Krishna. Here it is said that Bhagavad Gita recommends therefore that any work should be done for Om Tat Sat or for the Supreme Personality of Godhead. When one performs penance, charity and sacrifice with these three words, he is acting in Krishna consciousness. Krishna consciousness is a scientific execution of transcendental activities which enables one to return home back to Godhead. There is no loss of energy in acting in such a transcendental way. Very, very scientific, very amazing point that is given is whatever activity we are doing, if we just add an extra thing with that, that is chanting of the holy names of the Lord. And for us it is Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna